y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to get a dog. So if y'all enjoying this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get right into it. So y'all, today is the day I'm getting my first dog. Yeah, I've never had a dog before, so this is a new venture for me. Very excited. I got a Pomeranian. She's so cute. Her name is Diamond. She's 7 weeks old tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, I am very excited about this new adventure, me being a dog mom. So y'all come along with me as I go and get my dog. So y'all, this is the dog carrier that I got for her. It is so cute, y'all. Oh my god. So I put a little bit of things in here that I figured she'll need like on the way back home. And I got this car seat for her also. Y'all, I got my dog. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all, just look at her. She is a blue merle sable party. And she has blue eyes. Oh my gosh. So cute. I can't get over her. Y'all, oh my god. I really bought a dog. Y'all, she is so cute. Who would have thought me getting a dog? Okay, y'all, so this is the first time I'm gonna see her walk. Oh, she's so small. Okay, y'all, so since I'm not at home, I'm not able to really do like a real big haul for y'all. So from what I have on me right now, I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the dog carrier that I got for her. I got this off of Amazon, and this flips open so the dog could peek through. And it's a soft bed too. This is also airline approved. I thought this was really cute because it looks like a regular purse, but it's not. Then I got this mini toy. I got that from Five Below. I got this harness from Ross. So cute, especially because of how small she is. The breeder gave me this strawberry toy. I got this collar and leash from off of Shein. I just picked this up at Marshall's on the way to the apartment. I got this travel size water bottle, and the bottom is a food holder. So right now I just have some treats in it. I also got this off of Shein, but I have another one that I got from TJ Maxx, and that one is from Apex. I just got this dog toy from Marshall's. So cute. And then I just decided to get a random dog chain or tag from off of Shein for $3. I think that this is really not bad, but I am gonna get another one for her. Y'all, I think she likes her little car seat. Right now we're improvising it as a little bed, but it's a car seat. And I think she likes it. Aww. Yo, she's asleep. She literally just went to sleep. Like, not even a minute after I just took that last clip. She's so cute. So she's been playing outside today, y'all. And she likes weeds. So cute. Y'all see her eyes? Oh my god. She's so cute. Bro. What is going on right now? I am going swimming with my dog for the first time. So, I got her a kiddie pool. It's so cute. It's a strawberry. I blew it up already and everything. So, I'm going to put some water in it. Put a little bit. And see how she does. Y'all, my dog is all the way over here. On the other side. By the sugar glider cage. So, I'm going to get her. Stop putting water in it. And see how she do. This is my dog currently, y'all. Diamond, you don't want to play in the water? Why do you have dirt all over your mouth? Girl, what are you eating? Oh my God. All right, y'all. We're going to see if she likes water. It's time to put water in now. Come here. What are you doing? All right, y'all. She look like she's trying to practice swimming. I don't know. Does she like it? Does she like it? I hope she's not drinking no water. Up there, that's what she's doing. Diamond, why are you drinking the water, bro? Bro. Yeah, what am I going to do with my dog? Bro, why is she literally drinking the water? But she always plays in her water, so like, I figure she'll like water. Stop it, bro. What are you doing? Well, she's scared of the water hose. She don't like that. Look at her. She's under hiding. Bro, she's literally... Well, guys, I got scared. Now she look like a half-naked mole rat. She kept dipping her head in the water, y'all. Oh my God. She was really scaring me. So I took her out. And I got her this life vest, but it's too big for her. My poor baby. Diamond. 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 Go, go. Swim, girl, swim. Go, 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 Diamond. She's trying to get out. My poor dog. Where are you going?
I got so much ground just now.
No, she's not. She's coughing.
She's coughing. Hold on, she's coughing. Let her go.
Go, Diamond. Go, Diamond.
Up,
Go, Diamond. Go, girl.
Let her turn over.
Go, girl.
Get out.
Thank y'all for watching my YouTube video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.